Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the TOMS Recycled Cotton Alpargata. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of TOMS Recycled Cotton Canvas Alpargatas. And this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 43. And this pair is in the navy colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. So taking a look directly inside of the box packaging, we can see the TOMS Recycled Cotton Alpargatas in the navy colorway. And let's lift out both of them and set them on the tabletop. And just setting the box to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the table as we focus on the left shoe first. So setting the right alpargata in the background so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we focus on the left foot first. So giving you a look at this alpargata made of recycled cotton, comprising of 50% recycled cotton and other ecological materials. And now let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and complete look at the shoe or loafer or alpargata. So just setting the tag to the side so you have a clearer look, and directly from the back as well. And you can see the TOMS tri-band Argentinian style patch. And let's take a look at the hang tag. So giving you a look at the TOMS hang tag and the details that's on it with the label. And now taking a much closer in look at this recycled cotton canvas upper. So you can see the texture and the weave and of course the stitching detail of this alpargata, and of course that elastic gore or triangular elasticated patch right there, and giving you a look at the other details. So there is a TOMS diagonal label to the outer side of the alpargata, and you can see the layering of that cotton canvas upper. And taking a much closer in look around the midfoot and heel area, so you can see those stitching details once again, and the TOMS branding located at the heel of the shoe. And taking a look at the inner side, so a very minimal in design footwear or loafer, and right there giving you a top down look of the front of the shoe. So giving you a further out look of the shoe in navy, and of course let's take a look from the front to the back, or from the tip or toe of the shoe towards the back. So you can see all the details up close and right throughout. And let's pop out the card shoe tree that's in it and take a look at the inner details. So it does have a very snug fit, keeping the structure and form of the shoe or loafer in place. So now giving you a look right there at the inside details of this alpargata. Just going to brush off that little bit of fiber right there from the card shoe tree. So top down look inside of the loafer. You can see that it does have a zigzag style lining the inside of the alpargata, and it does have a custom TOMS insole, which comprises of 50% eco materials. It's right there giving you a look at the inner lining, and you can see that it goes right throughout the inside of the shoe. So the upper, the lining, and the sock liner consists of recycled cotton. And just going to press down on that insole to give you some sense of the firmness or softness of it. So nice and spongy in feel, just using my index finger and previously thumb to get a sense of that responsiveness. And taking a look at the inner labels as well, just to give you some more details right there. And now let's take a look at the sole or bottom of the alpargata. So it has a rubber sole, and just tapping on the sole to give you some sense of the material. Tapping with my fingernail and giving you an all-round look, and the texture of that rubber sole and the traction pattern with, once again, that zigzag style motif carrying on from the lining of the shoe to the tread pattern or traction pattern of the bottom or outsole. There is that TOMS branding at the midfoot of the shoe. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the responsiveness of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the right shoe, so setting the left shoe down in the background as we look at the right shoe and doing a 360 rotation with it, so you have that complete look once again. So details once again identical to the right shoe, with that recycled cotton canvas upper in the navy colorway, and of course the rubber outsole as well, with the finely nubbed texture and zigzag traction pattern, and of course the TOMS label around the midfoot area on the outer side of the shoe, and of course the middle with that gore there. And let's slide out the shoe tree. So once again, these shoe trees appear to be one use only, since they have a super snug fit. And you can see, struggling here to remove it from the alpargata. And they're already tearing it, similar to what I've done on the left shoe. So giving you a look right there, and you can see that I've even pulled out that insole, shifted it out from having that tight fit, but good opportunity to show you that insole design consisting of 50% eco materials. So just going to pop that insole back down and give you that inside look with that very snazzy contrast zigzag lining. And of course not forgetting that inside label as well, giving you a look right there. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And from the front to the back. And just before I do that, just going to brush off that little bit of card fiber from the shoe tree, and just giving you one more look once again at it side by side, this time minus that piece of fiber. Okay, and now once again resuming with the front to the back look. And of course directly from the back as well. And of course the underside of bottoms or soles of the alpargatas. So that's the TOMS Recycled Cotton Alpargata. Thanks for watching and happy walking!